There was a atheist that I came across. He was battling with somebody, with a Christian, and he said the Christian guy, he asked him to prove that something in science about neurons or something in your brain. And the Christian, he was like, can you show us the evidence? And he said, everybody in the science community agrees. And I said, that right there. So that's evidence because everybody in the scientific community agreed. So gravity exists because everybody in the scientific community agreed. There is no such thing as gravity. It's a theory. It's just dense. More dense objects fall. More dense objects weigh more than air. That's all it is, guys. It's density. It's not gravity. Gravity is made up. The earth is flat. We don't live on a spinning water ball. I can go on for hours. Like, we're not on a spinning water ball held in by gravity. Why do you think when they make the, like, you know, when they show like them in space and stuff, look closely at those videos. They're not even doing anything. Like when they show them outside of the props, you know, when they're supposedly up there, they're like this. Go look right now. They're like this. They're not even doing anything. It's props. It's green screens. It's fake. You know? And people got to just accept it for what it is. It's not real. You know? I know that a lot of people based all their beliefs in science, but some of the stuff is lies. And just because a lot of people agree doesn't make it proof, doesn't make it fact. The fact is that we're on a flat plane. We're not on a ball. Even when you see them in supposed space, notice for years they always film from above. That's the only shots they give you. That's because it's flat. And you always see the sun and its logo. It's not 90-something million miles away. Those are lies. They try to lie to you in plain sight. I mean, you know, they try to tell lies and things in plain sight. They try to, their thing is they try to come up with these scientific words to confuse you. They try to freak your brain when you know what you see. You see the sun is local. The sun does not set. It just, it is basically like if this is the earth, if this is you right here, and this is the sun, it just goes out of view like this. It's on a circuit. It's on its own circuit. It's all in the Bible. You know, we've been lied to so many times, you know, even about everything. They're trying to hide the truth. They're trying to hide creation. I knew these things before I even started to hear all this other people coming to knowledge about it. You know, I used to be a glober myself. I used to believe in all the science and everything like that, like science, this and that. And it's not true. It's made up. And they make up, you know, terminology to go along with the lies. So they have lies to explain other lies. And they've been teaching you that since you were in elementary school. So that's all you know. You don't know anything else. So even if people on this video try to argue it, they're going off of the false model that they were given. If you sit here and watch this video and say, well, this and this and this, that makes sense because your whole model is false. So, you know, when I tell you something and you try to explain it, you're explaining a model that's already false. So your answers are only true in that model, but the model is false. We didn't land on the moon. You can't land on the moon. There are no other planets. Those are wandering stars. I mean, I don't know why you guys believe them. What made you guys think those were planets? What proof do you have? Just because you look through a telescope only shows you an object. So when you looking through a telescope, you're looking at an object, but you don't know what it is. You don't know what it is. They told you what it is. They told you what it is. You don't know what it is. They just told you what it is. You're like, oh yeah, that makes sense. Those are other planets. No, it's false. Follow John Truth. There's a lot of other people, that speak the truth about the flat earth. But yeah, guys. Flat earth on 3. 1, 2, 3, flat earth.